Welcome to Rumble Studio. This short video will show you from beginning to end how to create a podcast with Rumble Studio. You're about to learn how to produce audio content 10 times faster and easier by using asynchronous guest interviews. So first, let's create some questions to send to your guest. You can use Google Docs or any text editor to write these. Now let's create an interview in Rumble Studio. You can give it a name and choose from a template or start from scratch. Now let's create our interview and start with an audio request block. We're actually going to paste the questions that we wrote earlier into this block, and this is requesting audio from your guest. You can record some audio that the guest will hear, and this is you speaking the question to the guest. On the right, we see a preview of what the guest will see, and this is fully customizable, and you can add a variety of other steps to request text, images, video, and much more from your guest. So let's structure the interview now, and here's one we made earlier. It starts with a welcome step. We have some information for the guest, some recording advice, the audio request step that we added earlier. So when you're ready, we can preview what the guest will see. Here's the welcome step where the guest adds their email, and then they pass to the audio request steps where they can read and listen to the questions that you've recorded and then record their answers. The guest enters their information, their social media handles, uploads their profile picture, and they're done. When you're happy with your interview, it's time to invite your guests, and you do that by copying this invitation link. You can send this link to an individual by email or instant messenger, or you can make it public by sharing on your website or social media. Once your guests have recorded their answers, you can assemble these into a mix. Simply drag and drop any audio from any of your interviews, both the host and the guest audio, along with any jingles, ads, or other audio that you want to include in your mix. When you're ready, you export your mix, and you will receive by email a link to download a zip file containing all your audio files. This zip file contains all of the raw files from the host and the guest, as well as a merged file which has had some audio processing and Magic Sparkle applied to it. All that's left to do is to upload your audio along with your artwork and show notes to a podcast host of your choosing. We like Omni Studio, but you're free to use any host that you like. And there you go. Your podcast is now live on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and all the podcast directories. And now it's your turn to create an asynchronous interview on Rumble Studio. If you need any help, just give us a shout.